Paano i-crochet ang Christmas wreath coaster? First, gagawa muna tayo ng magic ring. Chain 2, tapos 12 double crochets into the ring. Also, yung chain 2 doon, hindi siya mag-count as a stitch. After nyan, slip stitch natin dun sa top ng first double crochet, hindi sa chain 2. And then for round 2, mag-chain 2 tayo, tapos 2 double crochets into the same stitch at into every stitch paikot. Sa pagtatapos ng round ay mag-work tayo ng slip stitch sa ibabaw ng first double crochet na ginawa natin. For round 3 naman, ito na yung final round ng white. Chain 2, 1 double crochet to the same stitch, 2 double crochet dun sa next. So, yun ang sequence natin, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet into every second stitch. Sa pag-end ng round, mag-work lang tayo ng slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. Cut na natin yarn, tapos gagamit tayo ng green, make a slip knot, tapos 1 single crochet, then chain 1. Mag-count ito as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet sa susunod. So, into every third stitch, 2 double crochets. Bale, ito na yung last increase natin for this round. Tapos, yung susunod naman is mag-work tayo ng scallop edging. Now, to end the round, mag-work tayo ng slip stitch doon sa second double crochet. Hindi doon sa single crochet and chain 1. Doon sa second double crochet. And after that, after natin ma-slip stitch ay mag-work tayo ng chain 1 tapos 1 single crochet into the same stitch, mag-skip tayo ng stitch and then 5 double crochets into the next. So yan ang paggawa ng scallop edging. Magagawa tayo ng 5 double crochet tapos mag-skip tayo ng isang stitch or 1 double crochet. Tapos, doon sa next, mag-work tayo ng single crochet. So, ulitin lang natin yan. Mag-skip ulit tayo ng stitch, 5 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, and then 1 single crochet. So, uulitin natin yung ganyan sequence hanggang sa makarating tayo sa last stitch. For the final round, pagdating natin sa last stitch, mag-slip stitch tayo sa very first stitch na ginawa natin. Pwede rin ninyong i-cut ang yarn after the last stitch, leave at least 2 to 3 inches. Gamit ang yarn needle, i-insert natin sa second stitch para makagawa ng parang chain sa ibabaw ng first stitch. This technique makes the join super neat and almost invisible. After that, mag-chain tayo para sa ilalagay natin. Sa ilalim ng scallop edging, perfect ito para lumabas yung Christmassy look ng project natin. And ayan na nga, tapos na ang ating project. Clean, finish, neat joins, at festive vibes all around. Thank you so much for watching it, and I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more crochet tips and tutorials. Merry Christmas and happy crocheting!